Hey y'all, today we are talking about another Too Faced Christmas palette or holiday palette. This one is the Let It Snow Girl limited edition makeup collection. The outer packaging looks like so, and it comes in a little plastic insert. You get a mini Better Than Sex mascara in there. This is $49. I got this at Ulta, but apparently they do have it at Sephora as well. It comes with 3 palettes and they open like this. You've got bronzer and highlighter. And this one you've got 4 blushes. And then I love how they open like this. I get into that in the video. And then you have a palette here, an eye palette. So there was another one on Ulta, but it didn't seem to have very many mattes. So I chose this one and we do this look today. I have the face shades on and everything. So if you guys are interested in this palette and want to know if it's good, if I recommend it, then let's hop in. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. You guys know you want to subscribe. I have tons and tons of videos coming out. More Too Faced Christmas stuff. There's all kinds of Christmas and holiday collections releasing. So if you guys want to see, then subscribe and let's get into it. So my hair is still wet. Just disregard that. And I wanted to show you guys when I first got this. I was looking at it and I was trying to pull it up and I was like, what is wrong with this? It slides, which I think is super, super cute. This is a cardboard, but it is magnetized, and I do really like that. One of the cons to it, though, is it doesn't stay up. So if you're trying to hold it, you have to hold it like this. So just a little con there. Pro and con, because I like it, but I don't like how it does that. First, we're going to go in with Crumb Luck right here. And I've, of course, already primed and set the lids. I'm going to put this, okay, it is darker than what I anticipated. But I'm going to put this in the upper crease. Fine cone right here is what we're going to go in with next. Luckily, these pans are big enough to fit a fluffy brush in. That's one thing I was worried about, but we're good, we're good. And I'm going to put that kind of right over top and then just gently blend circular motions. And then back and forth, back and forth. You guys know the drill on this if you watch my videos. I kind of do the same techniques every time. I always predominantly do my transition shade first. Sometimes I'll go in straight with a crease color and then build my way up. But normally it's like this. And I am doing the eyes first, so that way on this outer corner we can be totally messy and just make sure everything is blended out nicely, and then we can clean it up with a makeup wipe or with your concealer. I'm going to take Obvious Slay right here. This really pretty warm color. There was some kick up in that shade right there. I don't really mind it, but I know some people don't really like that. And I'm going to start building up our crease. So I'm putting this right in the crease, taking it about 3/4 of the way in, and then just blending. And the key is, because I do this all the time, you don't want to go above your first shade. Just keep it kind of low and then blend it out. So when I initially put it on, I know this is not a full-on tutorial, you know, how to, but I've been really trying to do this better. So when I first put it on, I put it very low in the crease and then I start to blend it up. There's 2 light shades in the palette. You've got Turtle Dove, which is more white. And then you've got Cookie Butter, which is more of a bone shade. I like it better. So I'm going to put that up top here. This will also help blend everything out. I kind of want to use this purple. This is Resting Wish Face. Yep, we're going to. we're gonna grab the purple and we're gonna put this on our outer corner. Sorry guys, I had a phone call and oh my word. So anyway, we're taking the small brush, going in with Obvious Slay. I hate that name. And we're gonna blend this purple out a little bit. I will say once you start blending, the purple gets very patchy. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's a patchy mess. So we're gonna go over that with Cookies Served. This one right here. We're gonna try to cover up all the patchiness right there. Okay, I think that worked pretty well. Now we're gonna figure out what we wanna use for the lid. And this green right here is totally calling my name. But I'm going to swatch a few. Okay. It doesn't feel as good as it looks. Yeah, it doesn't look as good as it looks in the pan either. Darn it! Alright, let's try the blue over here. Alright, there are swatches. And I'm kind of sad to say they're pretty unimpressive. They feel very dry. Not at all like regular wet metallics do. Dang, I'm really sad about that. And honestly, the one that felt the best is this dark brown down here, which is Jolly Gosh right here. But my last Too Faced review, I did a dark lid, so I don't want to do that. Wow, I'm so disappointed by that. We're going to take Tiny Prancer right here. And then we're going to put Snow Globe on top of that. We're going to use this glittery shade right here. Let me see if I can get my camera to really pick that up. That guy. Alright, so going in with that one first right there. Just, it's a basic color here. We're going to put that on the lid. You guys can see it's just okay. I'm gonna grab a little bit of glitter glue and then we're gonna put Snow Globe on top of it. So let's try to spice this up a little bit. Let's hope that this works out because those shimmers are very disappointing. It picks up a ton of product. Let's stick this all over that lid. Definitely still had some fallout, but at least that gave us some pow because the shimmer kind of sucked. I'm gonna try grabbing the purple again, resting Wish Face. I'm gonna connect that right in the edge of the glitter. Same brush, I'm taking Cookies Served, our darker shade. And then we're gonna grab Chocolate Wasted right here, the darkest shade in the palette. We're gonna put him on the very outer corner. Yeah, I do not like this palette. Like, you have to constantly keep moving it. We're gonna go in with the super warm tone shade and just get these edges. Yeah, the glitter just keeps falling. Like, it's all over my face here, even with the glitter glue. So take that one into consideration. This is what we're looking like at the moment. I am going to go off camera, do this eye, and man, I'm so disappointed about those shimmers. Like, you guys can tell, it's just like I'm totally bummed. So we'll go off camera, we'll come back, and we'll play with the face palettes. We've got 2 here. There's a bronzer, a highlight, and 4 blushes. So I will see you guys in just a minute. Well, I was recording, so I thought I had my camera on, but I didn't push play. So luckily we just have bronzer on. One shade, I go in with a big brush first and just put this everywhere, no precision at all. Both sides and the forehead and down the neck. And as I was saying, but you guys couldn't hear me because my camera was not turned on record, but I've not had a good experience with the eyeshadow palette, and especially with the glitter. It is all over my face. It's in my eyeballs. It is all over my eyelashes. It is continuing to fall. Like, I sat here trying to dig it out of my eyes and my eyelashes. I do not recommend the glitter at all. But then after I use the big brush, I take a smaller, more precise brush and just try to define out the cheeks. And then I run just a smidge on my nose. I'm not contouring the nose, I'm just giving it a little bit of color. And then in with the highlighter here. This is called Angel Wings. So we're going to, okay. That gives you a kick right off the bat. Wow. And then I'm going to take my brush. I did not add any more, but I'm going to take my brush and really try to work it into the skin. That's just how I prefer my highlights. I don't like them to be super blinding. Now for our blush shades. I want to go in with Merry and Bright right here. A good bit comes off on the brush. And then we're going to put that kind of up higher. I'm not bringing it to the apple. This one here is weird. It's like it's more of like a highlight, but it's like pink. It's weird. It's like a super pink, icy, highlighty looking shade, but it really wouldn't work as a highlight. I don't know. I'm going to grab a little bit of Christmas Dream right here. And why not? We'll just go in with Snow Kissed as well, and just we'll put them all on our face. Except for the weird pink one. Okay, and that is everything. So we went in with both little palettes here, and this is what our skin looks like. I think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go off camera. Actually, let's do the lower lash line while we're here. Why not? So I'm gonna grab a pencil brush and this purple. Wish you guys could see right here. Oh my, this glitter, you guys. It is just continuing to fall into my eyeball. Like, I can see it on my eyelashes and everything. I hate it. Like, if I wasn't doing this video, I would have removed it. I would have taken my whole look off. That is how much I hate it. Oh, I cannot stand that. Alright, so purple. Like, I cannot even handle this. So much is going into my eye. It's unreal. This purple looks really pretty on the lower lash line. I'm going to grab our super warm shade and put it right below. And then go in with Fine Cone. Yeah, I hate these names. And put it even lower. Alright, I'm going to take Let It Shimmer and put that on the inner corner. And it's not even going to show up. Alright, I took a bit of Turtle Dove, which is the super white in the palette. And then I'm going to try Break the Ice. Man, these shimmers, they're terrible. Like, they are just not good. I mean, normally with an inner corner highlight, it's boop and boom. Not with this. Okay, I'm going to do my hair, throw some lashes on, and brow, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is our finished look. I like the look as a whole. I do. But I don't like this palette. The mattes are okay. They're not great. The shimmers suck, in my opinion. Like, this is more so the China quality that a lot of holiday palettes have, and I don't like it. It's kind of like they slapped their name on something and it's crap. This one's not completely crap as a whole. I like the face palettes. They were pretty good. It's more so like it's not normal Too Faced quality. It's not high-end quality. There's a lot of drugstore palettes that are better than this one. The face stuff is meh. It's okay. Everything's okay, but it's not great. So I do not recommend this one. I would rather pay the $10 extra and get the Christmas Cookie House Party, because now that one I believe is exclusive to Sephora. This one you can get at either Ulta or Sephora, but $10 difference, and that one blew my socks off. It is great quality, whereas this is not. So I don't want to rush off, but I have been waiting on some blood work to come back, and I've had 2 positive ANAs. I've known for at least a couple of years I have some sort of autoimmune, so I've been waiting on that blood work. I've went to the hospital several times for the results, and it's back today. So I am going to hop on off here, go to town, get my results, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click the bell, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.